Good morning everyone, this is As Muhammad Khan and I welcome you in today's segment student. Today we will discuss one important concept that is related to circulatory system and it is our lymphatic system student. Lymphatic system is also very important system student from which lymph is circulated from the body tissue to our heart with the help of lymph vessels and blood vessel student. And this lymphatic system is found just below our blood vessels. And in this, the lymph is circulated student. Means the circulatory system, the second important circulatory system that transport extracellular fluid from the body tissue to the blood vascular system is known as lymphatic system student. In the lymphatic system, there are the four different parts are found. First, that is found, it is lymph student. First is lymph. Second is lymphatic nodes or lymph node student. Third is lymph vessels. Fourth is lymph capillaries. Now what is lymph student? Lymph is yellow colored fluid student, and it also contains the two important parts. First is lymph and second is plasma. Lymph contains the two important parts. First is lymph means lymphocyte, second is plasma. Lymphocyte and plasma make the lymph. In this plasma contains solute substance in its student, and mainly water, protein and fat is found in this. And with this it contains, means the lymph contains the lymphocyte. Now what are the lymphocytes student? Lymphocytes are the white blood corpuscles that fight against the germs or the pathogens or the foreign particles that are entered in our body, and those lymphocytes protect us from those pathogen student. Now we come on the next is lymph node student. Lymph node is the part of lymph vessel student, and these are the broad tubes like structures, and they are found in the interval of the lymph vessels. And what they do, they pump the lymph from the lymph to the blood circulatory system, and they work as the pumping station, because the lymph does not have the pumping station like the blood vascular system student. In the blood vascular system, heart work as a pumping station, but in the lymphatic system, the lymph nodes work as a pumping station student, and they are found in between the lymph vessels. Now we come on the next, lymph vessel student. Lymph vessels are the large tubes that are found just below the blood vessels. Like there are the blood vessels are found in our wrist student, these blood vessels, and just below the blood vessels there are the lymph vessels are found, and in the lymph vessel the lymph is circulated from the lymph vessels to the blood vascular system student. In this, they are again branched into very teeny tubes like structure, and those teeny tubes like structures are found in our body tissues, and these teeny tubes like structures or thin tubes like structures are known as lymph capillaries. So there are four important parts of the lymphatic circulatory system student, and in this the lymph is always circulated in a single direction from body tissues to the blood vascular system or to the heart student. So there are four important parts 4 important parts of the lymphatic circulatory system, student. First is lymph, second is lymph nodes, third is lymph vessels, fourth is lymph capillaries. And in this, what is circulated? Lymph is circulated, and the lymph contains the extracellular fluid, and that extracellular fluid comes from the body tissues to the lymph vessel, student, or to the lymphs in the form of lymph. It comes to the lymph vessels. So it is about the parts of lymphatic circulatory system. Now we will discuss about the function of lymphatic system, student. So student, now we will discuss about the function of lymphatic system. What is the important function of the lymphatic system, student? It provides us the immunity, student. Means our body is immunized with the help of lymphatic system. And how is it immunized, student? When the pathogens or the foreign particles are entered inside our body, then those pathogens or foreign particles are eaten by the lymphocytes or the white blood cells. And our body is protected from the pathogens or the microbes. So it provides, means the lymphatic system provides us the immunity system, or it makes our immunity system strong by killing the pathogens. Second important function that it has, student, it drains the excess fluid from the body tissue to the blood circulatory system, student. Means the extracellular fluid that is found in our tissues, in our body tissues, that extracellular fluid is transported via lymph to the blood circulatory system, student. So it works as a middleman. That's why lymphatic system is known as middleman, student, because it works as a middleman, student. Because it is found, means this system is found just below the blood vessels, and below the lymph vessels there are the muscular tissues are found, or the body tissues are found. So it works as a middleman, as the transportation from the body tissue to the blood circulatory system. That's why we can say it, means we can say the lymphatic system as the middleman. As the middleman we can say it, because it works as a middleman, student. Now we come on the next. It carries the carbon dioxide and nitrogenous waste. Means there are the nitrogenous waste, or the carbon dioxide is produced in our body tissue, and that carbon dioxide or the nitrogenous waste that are produced by the biochemical reactions, those all nitrogenous waste or carbon dioxide is removed by our body tissue via lymphatic system, student. So it is very, very important, because it carries, or it help us to get rid of from CO2 and nitrogenous waste or nitrogen containing waste, student. Next importance that it has, it helps in the transportation of fat and protein, student. Many times when our body tissues have extra fat or extra protein, then that extra fat or protein is transported via lymphatic system, student. So it is the next importance of lymphatic circulatory system, student. Now you will try to cover this important topic. You will write about this in your notebook, especially the function of the lymphatic system, student, because these functions are generally asked in your board exam. So you try to write them, and you will also try to learn them, student, for the exam point of view. So thank you very much and have a pleasant day.